Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create short video clips from a single image using Google AI Studio for free. This is perfect if you want to bring still photos to life with subtle animations or creative motion effects. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account and from the dashboard click on Generate Media. Now upload the image you want to turn into a video clip. Once it is loaded, go to the text box and type a prompt like, animate this image with a smooth camera zoom effect, or turn this photo into a 5-second video with gentle movement. Click Generate and wait a few seconds while Google AI creates your animated video. You can preview it right away. If it is not the style you wanted, simply adjust your prompt. For example, you can try add flowing clouds in the background, or make this a looping animation with a pan effect. The best part is you can experiment with different styles until you find the motion that feels right. Each time you generate, you will get a new variation. Once you are happy with the result, click Download to save your short video clip for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can turn any still photo into an engaging video clip in just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.